you facing trouble while exporting heavy Zimbra TGZ files to another email client? Introducing GainTools TGZ Converter tool. Marvelous utility to convert Zimbra files into varied file formats. Convert TGZ files into PST, EML, EMLX, MSG, and MBOX formats. Easily export Zimbra TGZ emails, contacts, calendars, and attachments. You can export contacts in VCF and calendars in ICS format. The tool supports Zimbra emails clients all editions. It generates a complete preview to view or check converting emails. You don't need Zimbra email client installation to convert TGZ files. It gives freedom to save exported files at a suitable location. Free version is available on the official website. Supported and works on all Windows version, 32-bit and 64-bit. It supports multiple non-English languages including Korean, Japanese, Chinese, etc. For any query, contact us.